and welcome to Bradford Library's Summer Reading Challenge, 5 minutes of fun. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper aeroplane. Here we are. So first, take an A3 or A4 piece of paper. Take the first tops, corners, and fold them into the middle, just like so. Crease them. Then take this corner here and fold this into the middle to create a longer triangle. Then do the same for the other side. Then fold the whole thing into the middle and put a crease down the middle, just like this. Then you've got to create the wings. So how you do this is you take the top of one side and you pull it down to create a wing shape, and you crease it over again, just like so. Then do the exact same to the other side and make sure that it's equal. Then take the top and fold it into the middle of the plane and push the plane together to create a straight top like this. And that is your paper aeroplane. If you want to do a different type of paper aeroplane, you do a similar process. However, you turn your paper this way, you take the corner pieces and fold them into the middle again. Make sure you crease them. Take one side and fold it into the middle again to create a bigger triangle. Make sure you crease that over again. Then take the other side and do the exact same. And you want to make sure each side is equal so it flies as far as it possibly can. Then take the top again, the point, fold it over, because this adds weight to the top of your plane so it can go even further. Fold it over, just like so, and then again take the side and bend it down, put a crease in it, and that will create the wings. Do the same again, and that will create the other wing. And there you go, that's a smaller little jet one. And then what you can do with these is you can colour them in, you can add stickers to them, you can add a string to them and fly them, a bit like a kite, and you can have competitions with your friends or your family. And that's how you make a paper aeroplane. So before I do a test flight, remember to keep reading.